Black holes. Black holes are regions in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They come in different sizes, from stellar mass black holes to supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies. Once stars much larger than our Sun run out of fuel, they collapse, creating stellar black holes. These invisible voids have immense gravitational force. Black holes are not visible but detected through their interaction with nearby matter and light. Supermassive black holes are millions, even billions, times larger than our Sun. They lie at the heart of galaxies, gobbling up dust, gas, and even entire stars. Black holes are nature's most mysterious and powerful phenomena. They challenge our understanding of physics and the universe. Despite their destructive potential, they're key to the formation and evolution of galaxies. So, in the vast cosmic darkness, black holes shine a light on the mysteries of the universe.